This has been going on for years, man. It's all a planned event. People are falling right into the trap and letting them get away with it. Stand up and rise. Here's an actual win. New Jersey parents shut down the Senate vote on forced vaccinations. This was on December 17th. New Jersey lawmakers tried to ram through a bill that would kick children out of public and private schools who are not completely vaccinated according to the CDC schedule. The bill would remove religious exemptions, passed in the Health and Senior Services Committee, and was rushed to the General Assembly, which passed it, sent straight to the Senate. New York legislators followed the same formula when it was removed. New York's religious exemption by forcing the repeal through committee at both houses in about 2 hours, despite thousands of protesters asking them to stop. You know, we just seen this in another part of New York or Wisconsin where the Amish people are in a big court battle over this stuff. So hopefully they can pull that out. Thanks everybody out there who helps support us, help keeps this thing going. Not easy trying to go against the mainstream, that's for sure. The aluminum in the JP8 biodiesel that they're running, 9,360 parts per billion of aluminum, tons of magnesium, 5,840. Wonder why the fires burn hotter right there. You got manganese, nickel, niobium, potassium, scandium, selenium, strontium, sulfur, large amount of sulfur, tin, titanium, vanadium, and zirconium. That's what's in the jet fuel.